Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video, we will be looking at how to download and activate your desktop app software. Okay, so let's get to it. Now this is a web platform. So when you log into your account, you go to the main menu, you locate user settings, you click on user settings, and then you come to billing and subscription management. So let's click on billing and subscription management, and then you see the desktop app billing, download and license. Okay, so this is where you click to be able to download your software. That is the desktop app. Now you have to take note that downloading this particular app, you have to pay. So currently our download link will be available from the 19th of November. So if you are viewing this before the 19th of November, the download link wouldn't have been available. But if you're going to see this after the 19th of November, you notice that the download link would have been available. Okay, we have a video, okay, on how to acquire your license key. You're going to have to pay to be able to access your license key, and then you'll be able to demo. Now this link, okay, this particular license key is our demo license key. Okay, so then once you've acquired this particular download link, you'll be able to test the desktop app with this particular license key on your own before you decide to make any commitment, which will be here when you click on the installation demos. This is where you're going to have to make the payment. It's going to appear over here, and then you'll be able to you'll be able to make any kind of payment that you have to. Okay, so now let's get to it. Okay, so once you click here to be able to download, you get access to a link. It will open up another page for you where you are going to be able to download the desktop application. Okay, so one thing you have to notice is if you are going to update, be able to download this particular desktop app, we'll go through some guidelines that you have to take notice of. So once you are going to be able to download this particular desktop app, you might have to turn off your antivirus just for this particular moment to be able to download this. Okay, so now let's click to download. So like I said, you click on the download link, it brings you to another window. Then you come over here and then you click to download. Now this particular desktop app works best from Windows 10 upwards. So if you have a Windows 10, you are able to enjoy the benefits of this app. Okay, so our download is complete. So you click on this to be able to have access to the file. Okay, great. So now once we have this, let me stretch this a bit. Okay, now we'll be looking for the setup.exe. Okay, that is what we'll be downloading. So let's double click on this. Okay, so you notice that something will pop up over here. So we click on this, all right, and then you click to install. Okay, so once you've done that, this will pop up straight away for you. Okay, then you would have to enter your license key. Okay, so this is the license key. Let me go back to, okay, so this is the license key, okay, that we'll be using for our demo demonstrations. This will be made available for you. Okay, so it's GV1YRAN. Okay, you have to make sure you enter, what you see. You click to verify. Great, so once you click to verify, then now you can enter your username and then your password. All right, and then voila, This is a desktop app. You are able to now use the desktop app to sell. We have other videos which talks about how to use a new transaction, what the today's sales is, how to even record offline using the desktop app itself. Okay, so this is how to download and activate your software. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos available for you, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.